The Internet of Things IoT is a system of interrelated computing devices, mechanical and digital machines, objectives, animal or people that are provided with a unique identifiers UIDs, and the ability to transfer data over a network without requiring human-to-human or human-to-computer interaction. Basically, it is network of things that are connected to the internet and can communicate with each other. These are things can range from everyday objects like your smartphone and smart refrigerator to more complex devices like industrial sensors and medical implants. The data they collect and share allows for autom- automation, improved efficiency, and better decision making. Advantage: increase efficiency and productivity. IoT device can automate tasks, reducing human effort and improving efficiency in various industries. For example, smart sensors in factories can monitor equipment and predict maintenance needs, minimizing downtime. Cost: saving IoT can optimize resources use and reduce waste. Smart thermostats can be adjust heating and cooling based on occupancy, saving energy costs. Enhanced communication and connectivity. IoT enables seamless communication between devices, improving data flow and collaboration. This can be valuable in the supply chain management where real-time tracking of goods crucial. Real-time monitoring and control. IoT devices provide constant data streams allowing for real-time monitoring and control of processes. This is essentially useful in critical industries like healthcare, where remote patient monitoring is becoming increasingly common. Innovative business model. IoT opens up now new opportunities of business to develop innovate products and service. For example, smart cities can leverage data of lot data to optimize traffic flow and improve public safety. Disadvantage: security risk. IoT devices are connected to the internet, making them vulnerable to cyber attacks. Hackers could gain access to sensitive data or disrupt operation, posing a significant threat to privacy and safety. Privacy concerns. IoT devices collect vast amount of personal data, raising concern about privacy violation. There are questions about how this data is used, stored, and protected. Increase unemployment. IoT technology automates tasks. There is a risk of job displacement, particularly for low-skilled workers. Complexity of system designing, deploying, and managing large-scale system can be complex and costly. Ensuring compatibility between devices from different manufacturers can also challenging. Over-reliance on technology. Increased reliance a lot of device could lead to a decline in human skills and a loss of control over our lives. It's it's important to maintain a balance between technology and human interaction. Question: could they use lot of their daily life? Why not? Why or why not? Whether or not someone useless IoT is their daily life depends on individual preferences, needs, and concerns some people embrace. The convenience and automation while others prioritizing privacy and security of simple technologies. IoT offers convenience and efficiency through automation and data-driven. insights, but also present significant security and privacy risks. The decision to use IoT in the daily life is a personal one, balancing benefits against potential drawbacks. Responsible development and usage are crucial for massive maximizing benefits and mitigating risk to society. IoT has the potential to be a force for good in society, improving efficiency, communication, and quality of life. However, its impact depends on responsible development, addressing security and privacy concerns, and ensuring equitable access to its benefits. It's powerful tool that needs careful management, avoid unintended consequences.